Thank you very much. Now, Mrs. Jordan Cizelj for 2 minutes.
Thank you. I am an optimist. I agree with the Swedish minister that we must succeed. I would also add that in order to be successful, we need to work hard and follow our goal in a clear and transparent manner. Firstly, greenhouse gas emissions must be lowered at the EU as well as the national levels. We cannot reserve the right to judge certain technologies and support others while condemning others. We should be technologically neutral. We should welcome all existing low-carbon technologies and encourage the development of new ones. We should not force certain sectors out of Europe. If we want to succeed, we should seriously consider using all possible technologies. Secondly, at the Copenhagen summit, we should clearly state the following: more funds for the fight against climate change for third countries and their commitments for a sustainable development can be a package solution. How else can we explain to our taxpayers that we have committed ourselves to finance sustainable development of third countries without any guarantees in terms of proper earmarking of these funds? We need guarantees and we need proper controls. And thirdly, in the November debate, I highlighted the fact that we should communicate to President Obama that we want to see him at the Copenhagen summit. This morning I heard that Obama did in fact confirm his arrival to Copenhagen and that he will support binding greenhouse gas emission limits. And I think this shows that our decision to maintain our political pressure is the right one. I would also like to make sure that my message is clear. We should act and we should do so immediately. We want to alleviate global warming and we should force other countries to act responsibly as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mr. Kadraoui for 1 minute 30.
Ja, dank u wel, mevrouw de voorzitter.
Thank you, President. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to pick up on the question of transport. Together with energy, I think transport represents the